Hi guys, I am back on my IGTV with a new video for you all, and this time something different, a voice over in my video. Yes. Okay, so guys, this is a makeup video and I am right there starting with my primer. I don't like to rub my primer on my face because then it does not go in my skin, it's just on my skin, if you know what I mean. I like to dab it in so that it goes in my skin and actually helps smooth out my texture on the skin. A green color corrector because I have to cover the redness on my chin. After that, I will jump right into my foundation. It's a NARS foundation. I don't really like heavy foundation, like heavy coverage, because it just makes me look like a plastic, and I like to look natural most of the times, at least in my daily makeup routine. So that's something I've learned, that always start putting foundation on the middle of your face, which is like eye area, nose, and the mouth area, because that's where you need the foundation the most. And before this, actually I had moisturizer, sunscreen, toner, serum on, and always hold the brush on the tip, because you don't want your foundation to be put on your face. It needs to look nice and filter, blurred. So that's why I don't need editing in my pictures, because it's already blurred out. Yeah, I know it sounds shady, but moving on, I'll just put the powder. I don't like baking because then it dries out my face, and I honestly don't have any oiliness or whatever that is. I just have a fine normal skin, so just some powder to mattify all the things going on my face right now. I'm gonna go on with some powder contour, because I don't really like to do cream contour. It's so hard to blend, and I'm tired of blending things on my face. And I just don't like cream contour. Okay, I just nose and cheeks, and I'm done with it. And I have okay, I'm sorry I did not mention it before, but I was watching Lucifer on Netflix and I am laughing. Finally, back to business. Okay, I'm gonna use that brown shade on my lash line, lower lash line, because I don't want my eyes to look flat. Again, anything brown on your face will add dimension to your face and help you not look flat and white. That's all. I love brown. It's my favorite shade. I'm gonna use that beige brown, light brown on my crease, because again, eyelids should not look flat. You should look nice and alive. Guys, I am doing this voiceover for the first time, and I'm so nervous. I just can't explain. I'm so blank right now, and I'm gonna use that gold and pink multi-chrome. Is it? I don't know. That eyeshadow on my lid to add some shimmer to zhuzh my eyes up a bit. And after that, I'm gonna just put some blush, and peach blush, because I like it better than pink. Pink just looks fake, and peach will never look fake, and I know that. So I like that. But nothing dark, nothing heavy. Yes, laze yourself out, Sonal. Yes, I know, very tired. Yes, hardworking girl. Just wow. I like doing voiceover from now. Okay, that awesome highlighter. I don't know, the moment I got this one, I fell in love with this one, and I think this is the only highlighter I've been using for the longest, because I'm not a fan of highlighter. But this one from Sugar, Bronze Bewilder, my god, it's beauty. Okay, moving on from that highlighter and not tripping forever on it, I'm just gonna tell you about this lipstick, which is Bare by Swiss Beauty, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks, which I have repeated, and this is the second time I have got this, because it's very natural and nice, and it's just perfect for every possible skin tone. I'm gonna go on with my eyelashes, and yeah, it's a tricky thing to put on eyelashes, but I do it literally every day, and I'm so used to it. I barely take 5 minutes for putting up both the lashes. It's really easy. You just have to put it in the middle, the side, and the other side, and you're done. Bam. Okay, yeah, easier said than done. You can see struggling. You can see me struggling in the video, but I'm not struggling. It's just I have long nails and I'm scared. And I'm done with both the eyelashes. And finally, my makeup is done too. I am lost in Lucifer again. Forgive me. I really love doing voiceover for y'all. Okay, so just follow me, keep loving me, and you'll get more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.